Hello everyone, welcome to IoT Frontier. My name is Harihar Nath. Today we'll talk about AI PyNob, which is a rotary encoder driver board designed by AI Thinker open source team. Before we proceed to today's video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. AI PyNob comes with a 1.28 round screen, rotary encoder which is a knob, RGB LED, built-in audio, infrared transmitter and receiver, and many more. AI PyNob comes with a firmware burnt at the factory and has 4 demonstration interfaces, which are washing machine interface, RGB light interface, TV control interface, and air conditioner control interface. AI PyNob is powered by AI M6132S. So here we can see it is having LED screen separately, and which is connected via SPI pins that we can see here, and this is the main chip that is M6132S. And we can see here there are so many peripherals, such as first one we can see inbuilt RGB LED, and we have reset button, burn button, this is infrared transmitter, infrared receiver, and here we can see the knob, and this one here we can see the USB type C, and this is the USB cam connector we can connect here, and USB TTL connected here, and this is the speaker that comes inbuilt with this. So now I will try to connect it again. Now I will try to connect the USB type C connector to this board. So you can see the logo, and then you will see the menu. So in this menu you will be seeing various options that we have discussed, that is washer, TV, light, and AC. You will just have to turn the knob so that you will see the options. So first let us see the AC. So if you single press the knob, you will be able to see the options of temperature here. So you can turn the knob and you will be having different Celsius that you can put, and single press. So if you do the single press, and then it will be on, and if you want to come out of this interface you have to long press. So once you do long press it will come out, and here if you go to the next one is light, if you click on it, it will control the RGB LED. Right now we are in yellow color. So here if you turn the knob, you should be able to see the brightness increasing, and if you left turn you will see the decreasing, and if you single press it, it will change to another color, and you can increase the brightness as well, and another color. It's like that. Now to come out of this interface I will long press. Now I have here, next one we have is TV. I will click on TV. You will be having various models of TV. So I will select the Sony, and once I select, I will be having options to select the change channel, or you want to increase the volume, or different programs you want to see the P. So if you want to come out of it, you can long press. Now we have washer. So inside washer you will be having different cycles. Here it is written in Chinese, but if you change the firmware to English it will be English, and you can select any of the wash cycle to be washed, click on it, and you will be seeing the time, and if you long press it, it will go back and end the cycle, and again long press, it will come to the main menu. If you long press for 5 seconds here, it will go back to the factory default, and if you wait for 5 to 10 seconds, it will go back to the standby mode, and you will see the screensaver here. There are variety of applications possible with this knob other than these 4 use cases mentioned. For example, this product can be used in your electronic appliances where there needs a interface for the user to interact with the menus such as electric ovens, refrigerators, and many more controlling appliances. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another interesting video.